Which one is better, to have a man who have got money but that person doesn't respect you, is cheating on you, than a man who doesn't have money but he gives you attention, everything? So sometimes it needs to balance. Sometimes it needs to balance, because a man who doesn't have money but that person gave you attention, respect, doesn't cheat on you, it's better, because that person gives you peace of mind, than a man who have got money but doesn't respect you, always beating you. You know that those women who are married to rich men, and especially he knows that maybe he married you, you don't have nothing, or on your family you are poor, that person treat you like a maid in house. Even you are not cook at the time, he can beat you or insult you. Sometimes he can do whatever he wants to do, because he knows that you can't live without him, or everything you are wearing, everything, it's his money. So that's why, guys, you know that we have a man who doesn't have money is better. Sometimes it's better who doesn't have money but he is not cheating on you, he respects you. It's better than a man who is abusing you but he gives you money.